How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device. You can go for any browser that you have. And as you do that, you can simply tap on the search bar. And let's search for the option over here. So let's tap on locked Snapchat account. As you do that, you can simply see the option of my Snapchat account is locked. Tap on it. As you do that, it will land us to a new page where you can simply see the different options. So you can see that the account was locked for violating guidelines or temporarily locked and so on. So you can see the different options. If this does not solve your issue, you can simply tap on this option of was this article helpful. Tap on no and tap on the did not answer my problem or question, then tap on submit again. Now go back and simply search for Snapchat account compromised. So let's just search for the compromised section, and as we search for it, you'll be able to see different option again. So tap on my account is compromised. Now here, what you simply need to do is you can see different option on how you can solve or what to check if your account is compromised or hacked and so on. So you can simply tap on different options. If this solutions help you fix the issue, it's great. If not, you can simply tap on contact support option at the bottom of the screen. So as you tap on contact support, you can simply select on I think my account was compromised, and here what you simply need to do is enter your username, mobile email number or email ID, mobile number, and simply tap on your issue on how can we help with your Snapchat account. Then tap on submit, and the team of Snapchat will definitely get back to you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.